dive in
You
there
saw a stingray?
and go fetch them. Easton, you can
God, this actually looks.
Is this your boat? Okay, I think that's enough.
On my side, there's a lot. Man, I got a sea creature.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah, it's swimming.
I'm gonna do it. Try one more time before putting on a weight.
No, dang it. It bit it, but it didn't. Bumping into it.
I know.
Oh my God.
Go, action.
Hi.
Why?
Say cheese out there. There you go. Good job, buddy. Come over here. Wait, you guys got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Hey, come on, go. I wanna see. Wants to see it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mine.
It's in the bucket still?
No, Glenn, you hold it. No,
It's still in the bucket? Oh, it's there.
Oh, Easton, see? You just... Oh. Nice work. Oh. He smacked you. You and Dad.
Uh-oh, I got another one.
Okay, just. Got it?
See, you guys don't need our help.
No, don't slam dunk it.
Wait, no, we should put all the fish. I can put those fish in there.
Go there.
Fall out.
There you go.
Dad!
Yeah.
Crab!
Okay.
Oh, watch out!
You.
Oh, beautiful.
Fish, though.
Ew, why are you putting
Want to hold them?
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Yummy. Be free. Show me these teeth. Oh my gosh, look at that.
That bait, I still use that bait. No. Got it.
Jeez. Action. Where's that fish? Oh, there it is.
There, I'm gonna put it. I know.
No, you're gonna hold
the line, not the fish.
You're
The
gonna hold
line.
the line. Grab the line.
It's been 20 seconds. You got another one.
One, two.
Oh, God. Oh,
Yeah, you got something.
Hey, you. Yeah.
I'm like,
Let's
I haven't been to Chili's in like years.
The day, huh? Good job, kid.
stick 'em more. You think this would be big enough to catch a monster?
Oh, what is that?
It's seaweed.
Seaweed.
Got it?
Yeah. Was it a hook?
Oh, dang. What is that?
It was this piece of metal right here.
And Uncle's.
Piece of metal.
Oh my gosh.
Mine's on this rope.
These fish when you got
Buddy, do
pizza,
you
huh?
want pizza?
Yum.
If so, you need to wash your hands.
Oh, yours?
Oh, eat
Dad's
that
one.
up. Chloe.
The round one.
Yeah. Yummy.
Pull it up, boys. Yeah, that's a keeper.
Nice.
Oh,